This is a dividing and simplifying algebraic fraction lesson. So I've got quite a few questions that I simply want to go through with you one by one, lots and lots of examples, and hopefully you should get it along the way. So don't be frightened of this question. It literally is using all the knowledge and putting it into one. So question 1, 18a over 4 b squared. And then we have 6a squared over b. So as I always say to you, let's sort out the numbers first. And the numbers on this one, we're going to divide, because as we know, that is a divide question, a fraction. So how many times is 6 going to 18? Well, that's 3. So it goes in 3 times. So we've dealt with that now. We have a to the power of 4 and a squared. So if you know the power, the laws of indices, you will know that in a fraction, you take away when it's a divide. So for this one, we're going to take 2 away from 4, which gives us 2 left. So we can get rid of that. And now we have a squared. And then we have v and a v and a 2. Cancel that out. We have 1b. So the answer to this question is 3a squared b. Got it? Do the next one. Same again. Deal with the numbers. 4 divided by 12. 4 divided by 12 goes again 3 times. I'm just going to cross that out because I know I've done it then. Now I've got x to the power of 5 and x to the power of 2 on the denominator. So we are going to take that 5 and 2 away from each other, which is going to leave us with x to the power of 3. And then we have y cubed and a y. So that would be y3 minus y equals y to the power of 2. So the answer is 3x to the power of 3 and y squared. So you're getting the gist. Let's deal with the numbers. So we've got 3 and 9. 3 divided by 9 is 3 times. Got a lot of 3's here, which is 3. I'm going to cancel that out. I've now got P7 and P2. So I'm going to take away our powers. So that's 7 minus 2. So that's now going to give us P to the power of 5. And we have Q to the power of 3. And we have 1Q. So that will leave us with Q to the power of 2. Back down there because we've got lots of space for change. This means exactly the same thing. I just wanted to show you it written in a different format so it doesn't catch you out. It just means exactly the same. So I'm going to rewrite it to what we know. So it's 21x to the power of 4, y to the power of 3, divided by 7x to the power of 2, y. Deal with our numbers first. 21 divided by 7, is 3. Again, it's a lot of 3's. That wasn't my plan. So that's 3. X squared and x4. 4 subtract 2. 2. And y cubed, take away y, gives us y squared. So that's the answer for that one, nice and simple. So the next one is going to be another one written like that. So it's 20x to the power of 5, y squared, all over. Pen's playing up. 4x squared over y. So 4 and 20 divided by 4. Oh, we've got a different number, 5. x to the power of 5, x to the power of 2 on the denominator. So 5 minus 2 gives us x to the power of 3. And just get rid of those. Y squared minus y is just y on its own. So same again. I know you're probably bored at this point, but it's good to have lots of examples. So it's 15 x to the power of 3, y to the power of 2, all over 5xy. 5's into 15, go over 3 again. X to the power of 3 minus, because remember 1x on its own is literally 1x. So that's going to be x squared. And y squared minus 1y equals y. So it's 3x squared y. And now we're just going back into normal format. So I've got 24 and 8. So 8 into 24 goes 8 into 24 goes 8 16 goes 3 times. Cross that out. Then I've got m to the power of 6 and m to the power of 2. So 6 minus 2 gives us m to the power of 4. And then we have n to the power of 3, subtract n to the power of 2, which gives us n on its own. Another one, 7 into 35. Well, that goes 5 times. Just cross that out. A to the power of 6 subtract a to the power of 2 is a to the power of 4. And then we have b, and b to the power of 4. Take away the b, gives us b to the power of 3. And then the last one before you fall asleep is 19 to 54 goes 6 times. X to the power of 6 subtract x to the power of 2 is x to the power of 4. And then we have y to the power of 8, subtract y to the power of 3, which gives us y to the power of 5. There we have it. So all you need to know for dividing is with the powers, when we divide the powers, or indices, or however you want to say it, we subtract. You need to write that down and you need to remember that, okay? So if we got p to the power of 4 divided by p to the power of 2, which equals 4 minus 2, p to the power of 2. Hope that helps, guys, and you're still awake. Bye-bye.